UN Agenda 2030, Sustainable Development Goals, also known as SDGs. SDGs are a collection of 17 global goals, along with their 169 targets. They were set by the United Nations General Assembly back in 2015 for the year 2030, under the UNGA resolution called 2030 Agenda. These goals aim at eradicating poverty in all its forms and, well, they seek to realize the human rights of everyone and achieve gender equality. Conserving and restoring terrestrial and freshwater ecosystems is crucial. Ending desertification and restoring degraded land is essential for our planet's health. Conserving mountain ecosystems, biodiversity, and natural habitats. Reducing urbanization. Protecting access to genetic resources and fair sharing of the benefits. Eliminating poaching and trafficking of protected species. Preventing invasive alien species on land and in water ecosystems. Increasing financial resources to conserve and sustainably use ecosystems and biodiversity. Financing and incentivizing sustainable forest management. Goal 16, Peace, Justice, and Strong Institutions. Protecting children from abuse, exploitation, trafficking, and violence. Promoting the rule of law and ensuring equal access to justice. Combating organized crime and illicit financial and arms flows. Substantially reducing corruption and bribery. Developing effective, accountable, and transparent institutions. Ensuring responsive, inclusive, and representative decision-making. Providing universal legal identity. Ensuring public access to information and protecting fundamental freedoms. Goal 17, Partnership for the Goals. Assisting developing countries in attaining debt sustainability. Investing in least developed countries. Knowledge sharing and cooperation for access to science, technology, and innovation. Promoting sustainable technologies to developing countries. Promoting a universal trading system under the WTO. Removing trade barriers for least developed countries.